Can you hear me? Wait, you're frozen. Let me reconnect. Sound familiar? Online classes can be great until Wi-Fi has other plans. So, in today's lesson, I'll teach you the most useful English expressions teachers and students use when technical problems happen during online sessions. Let's get started. Hello everyone, I'm Miss Sheerin, your English teacher. These are real expressions used by real people every day. So next time your screen freezes or your mic stops working, you'll know exactly what to say and sound natural doing it. Number 1. When the connection is bad, teachers might say, I think you're frozen. Can you hear me clearly? You're breaking up a bit. Let me refresh the page. It seems like your internet is unstable. Students usually say, sorry, I lost connection. You froze for a second. Can you repeat that, please? I got disconnected. I can't hear you properly. Number 2. When there is a sound problem, teachers say, I think your mic is muted. Try unmuting yourself. There is some background noise. Could you speak a little louder, please? Students say, you're on mute, teacher. I can't hear you. There is an echo. Your voice is cutting out. Number 3. When the camera or screen doesn't work, teachers say, I can't see your video. Try turning your camera on. Can you see my screen? Let me share it again. Students say, the screen is black. It says waiting for host to share. Now I can see it. It's still loading. Number 4. When fixing or reconnecting, teachers say, let's wait a moment while it reconnects. I'll rejoin the meeting. Can everyone hear me now? Let's continue where we left off. Students say, I'll rejoin. It works now? Sorry, I had a technical issue. I missed that part. These expressions help you stay polite, calm, and professional even when your Wi-Fi isn't. If you found this lesson helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more practical English with me, Miss Sheerin. And if you want to speak English confidently and fluently, not just understand it, join my online English courses today. You'll get live sessions, personal feedback, and real improvement every week. So, see you later. Bye.